How to make a fake Instagram account, a guide. Creating a fake Instagram account can be tempting. Many users nowadays have one for various reasons. Whether you want to create a persona for creative expression, anonymously test the waters of the platform, or manage a separate account for a specific purpose, it's quite easy to do so. However, before diving in, it's crucial to understand a few things about fake accounts, their potential uses, and what to keep in mind. Why would you want to create a fake Instagram account? Fake accounts are often associated with negative activities. Scammers create fake profiles to impersonate legitimate accounts, tricking users into revealing personal information or sending money. Furthermore, spammers and cyberbullies utilize these accounts to send unwanted messages, creating a hostile environment. While negative aspects shouldn't be ignored, there are legitimate reasons someone might choose to create a fake Instagram account, including creative expression. Some users create fake accounts as a safe space to express themselves without feeling self-conscious. This enables experimentation with different styles, characters, or voices. Testing the waters. For newbies hesitant to jump into the world of Instagram using their real identity, a fake account provides a perfect opportunity to learn about the platform and its functionalities without pressure. This helps individuals see how user engagement works before committing to their actual identity. Targeted audience management. Businesses or individuals might create separate accounts to cater to specific demographics or interests. For instance, a bakery owner may maintain a professional account for their main business while having a more casual account to connect with hobbyist bakers. Privacy concerns. Some users prioritize online privacy and prefer keeping their personal lives separated from their online presence. A fake account is a great way to achieve that, creating a buffer between public and private spheres. Role-playing and fan communities. Fake accounts can also serve a fun purpose by allowing users to create accounts for characters within fictional universes or fandoms. This helps connect with fellow fans and explore unique characters and stories. How do you create a fake Instagram account? Creating a fake Instagram account is similar to making a real one. Just go to the Instagram app or website and click on a sign up. However, pay attention to the details in the account creation process. Here's a quick checklist to follow. Use a different email address. It's essential to use an email address that isn't associated with your original account, ensuring that your new account remains free and discreet. Once the account is created, you can customize your profile. Choose a username that reflects your desired persona, and consider using a profile picture that aligns with the character or idea you want to portray. Engagement on your new account can be a fun experiment. You can follow different accounts, interact with users, and share content that resonates with your aim for the fake account. Remember to respect community guidelines and be mindful of how your engagement can affect others. Conclusion. In summary, while creating a fake Instagram account can be done for numerous legitimate reasons, always remember to use it wisely. Whether it's for creative expression, testing the waters, or simply keeping your online presence private, understanding the nuances of operating in this space is essential. So, are you ready to explore the world of fake accounts? Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.